Alright, this is problem 2 on the practice test, and it says to solve by elimination or substitution. Well, because we don't have a variable all by itself, I would always be more prone to solve by elimination, or solve with elimination by addition. So I see that there's a 2x minus 5y equals 13, and then a 5x plus 3y equals 17. Well, we could either try to get both of these to be 15 or try to get both of these to be 10. Since these numbers I can multiply with will be smaller, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right? So I'm going to multiply the whole first equation by a 5. Right? And then that's going to change it and make it a 10x minus 25y equals 65. Right? And so just like how this works out, we want to get rid of these x's, so I'm going to multiply the second equation by a negative 2. And so that's going to change all of that to negative 2 times the 5 is going to give me a negative 10x. And the negative 2 times the 3 will give me a negative 6y. And negative 2 times the 17 will end up with a negative 34. And now we add them together. These are just going to cancel each other out. Don't have to worry about that anymore. So we have the negative 25 minus the 6. We're going to end up with a negative 31y. And it's going to equal 31. 65 minus 31, or 34. So now all we have to do is divide. Going back to our algebra again. And our y is equal to, that's right, negative 1. So we know what our y is. Well, let's figure out what our x is. I'm going to pick the first equation that we started off with. I'm going to solve that out by plugging in for the y variable. So I have 2x minus 5 times a negative 1 equals 13. Well, I'll multiply that out and I'll have 2x plus 5 equals 13. Then I'll subtract that 5 from both sides. I'll have 2x equals 8. Divide by 2, x is equal to 4. So our solution is, as a point on a coordinate plane, 4, negative 1. Not bad, right?